Whoa, buddy. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. Oh, there I am. Hydrophobic LED mirrors. And yeah, no, I totally understand all of that. So the mirrors themselves, that was $315. And then shipping was $26.60. California county tax, 0.25%. California state tax, 6%. California special tax, 1%. Awesome. Real nice to live in California. These do retain the heated mirror function as well as the turn signals. So there's going to be turn signals in the mirrors themselves. Here we go. Here I am. And oh, now I'm looking at the camera. This is pretty cool, man. I like mirrors. Mirrors are cool. All right. Let's frickin' do this. I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. You know me. I'm just gonna grab it and just get it the heck out of here. That wasn't bad at all. Get the mirror off. This is what it looks like. And those two plugs right there, one of them is a ground and the other one is not a ground. So let's just take these out. Oh, they both came out. Well, what the hell? And since I got the mirrors that have the turn signal function, I'm actually gonna have to take the whole entire thing apart. I'll show you guys how to do that right now. Okay, here's one. Here's two. Now I'm gonna use a flathead right here. And there are clips right there. We're gonna have to push up. One right there, and then there's one over here, and that one's gonna be a little tricky apparently. Alright, I just went on Instagram Live for about 15 minutes and I tried to see if anyone there could help me out, had experience with this. I'm just gonna rip this motherfucker off. Oh, now we're stuck here. Oh, I think I know what it is. I think I pull it out this way. See if it works. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so there's the two mirrors. Here are some instructions that they did not care at all to try and translate to English for us. That's okay. And here are the two piggyback harness things. I think that's what they are. So I went to Lowe's today and I got two new screwdrivers. Well, flatheads. Next up, if you look right under the mirror, there's going to be a screw right here. Make sure you catch it so it doesn't fall on your paint. Okay, now this whole thing should come apart pretty easily. Okay, so once we're inside the mirror, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. This connector, we're going to grab our harness that came with the Mugen mirror. I'm going to open this up. This is what we have inside. If you look at this, and you look at this one, they're both the exact same thing. But we're going to replace the stock one right here with the Mugen. This is a female end. There we go, just like that. Now we have the one that came with the car. And we're going to plug the male end that came with the Mugen kit right in here. Like so. And then we're going to plug the one that came with the Mugen kit right into the spot that we just took that one out of. Time to do the passenger side. This should go a lot smoother than the first one. Wow, they both came out at the same time again. So I held those both in there at the same time, and then I wedged my fingers right here, and I just pulled up and back here at the same time. So now we have a little space. I'm going to shove a microfiber towel right in there. Just like that. Now I'm gonna take this new flathead I got. Let's see if I can do better this time. All right, I got that one a lot easier. I don't know if you guys could see that or not, but when I was taking this off, at this point I wasn't really pulling up, but I was pushing backwards. So I was going like this, and it actually slides off of this little clip thing right there. So it's gonna slide backwards, and then when I go to put it back on, it's gonna slide forward like this. The quality of these is incredible. The Mugen one is a lot thicker, but for some reason, honestly, it kind of feels a little bit lighter. Let's transfer this stuff over. All right. It's not that intimidating. Okay. Now we have our mirror here, and there are two little connectors that come off of this one. You have male ends right here coming out of the harness that we got from Mugen, and you'll notice that one of them has a white stripe on them and the other wire is just straight black. You're gonna match them to each other. So black on black, the white stripe to the other white stripe. I know this looks dirty, but it's not. It's just stained. This one goes to this one. Just like that. Here's the other one. This is the straight black wire. It's gonna go to the other straight black wire. There. Now this can go right up onto that. Same thing with this side. You can slide them all the way up to this little ridge here. Just like that. Okay, so that doesn't do anything. So I'm not sure why I have these things on here. I'm gonna make sure the turning signal works. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Please work. Oh my God. That is so cool. Dude, I am so freaking pumped right now. I don't want to test the heating function because remember, that side is still unplugged and I don't want to mess anything up. Oh my God, I'm an idiot. So I was supposed to put this cover back on first. Oh, yeah, that's not gonna work, that's too thick. God, she loves you, babe. She's so precious. Oh, hi, baby. Yes. Okay, let's see if all these fit. That one fits. And that one fits. Let's go! Alright, this is what you want, guys. And I'm gonna do this whole thing again and back here. Alright, so I guess these wires need to go up and over. Like that, I guess. Okay. All right, that one's in. I see it right there. Okay, now I can put these two other screws in at 12 and 7 o'clock. Let's do this. First it's gonna slide into the back right here. Then everything should just click in. It's not clicking. Come on, buddy. There we go. Both of these wires here for the heater, they are both striped, so it doesn't matter which one you plug into which. Holy crap. All right, there's that one. So this is how it's supposed to go down, guys. First, you're supposed to put this through here. This is the Mugen kit, just like that. So I already unplugged this one that came with the car. This is gonna go into this one here that came with the Mugen kit, just like that. This one is going to replace the one that came with the car. It's basically piggybacking off of that signal and splitting it so that it can still go to this turn signal here. Clip these things together. I like to start on this corner. Lines up pretty easily. There we go. There. Here we are. I finally got everything on. Let's try it out. What's that? Did you get one done? I got them both done, yeah. Oh, sick. My guy Jose. Dude, that was like a 10-minute oil change, bro.
Keep the paint, dude.
Oh yeah, the paint. Well, it's ceramic coated. Yeah.
That's nuts.
You haven't been for a ride yet in this.
No. We should, dude.
We should. It's getting them nice and clear, even though it's dark and you guys really won't be able to tell. There we go. I'm gonna go drive around, show you guys how it looks. Let's try it. Oh, dude. Let's make sure the turn signal outside the car works too. Yes. That's amazing. Pop this guy back in. Now, wouldn't it be cool just to tie it all together if we had sequential side markers? That would be awesome. The right one works too. Holy smokes. Yes. Yes, guys. Purring like a cat. So when it's dark out, you can barely make out the blue tint that they have. I don't know if you guys can hear that wastegate rattle on camera, but that is something that I mean, I'm pretty sure the vast majority of Type R owners experience. I don't know why it makes that noise. I don't know how you fix it, but apparently it doesn't cause any mechanical issues. So I'll be honest with you guys, I've been pretty lazy. I still have not mailed out my PRL turbo inlet pipe to Rampage. So for $50, you can mail them your PRL turbo inlet pipe and they will make it all pretty for you and then mail it back. I don't know. I mean, I need to start slapping on some more modifications on this thing. So let's see how this works here. Oh boy. Let's try this one. Oh, that's so cool. These are so wide. Oh my God, I'm just now noticing the extra width, the extra field of view, and I gotta fix this one up. Uh-oh. My motor's not working too well. Uh-oh. I'm gonna go pull over at this park and figure out what's going on. Okay, I put on the defroster. I'll give it like 30 seconds to a minute and I'll feel the mirrors and see if they're heated up. The defroster's been on for a bit. Oh, that one's warm. Let's check this one. Yes, 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 yes. Wow. Okay, that one goes all the way left and right. It only goes up and down a little bit. So something's not quite right there, but that's okay. And what I found with this one is you can just like push it. So I want it to go in, I can just push it. Let's see if it works now. Nah, it won't even go left. I'm gonna have to push it myself. This one goes up and down all the way though. Which one of my installs has been perfect though? Which one has gone exactly according to plan? None of them, not one. So as far as the anti-glare goes, I mean, that car is pretty far behind me. I mean, it doesn't appear to be any glare at all. I need to wait until someone gets pretty close to me. You know what? I am gonna get a new steering wheel too. I'm gonna get an aftermarket steering wheel. You guys gave me a bunch of recommendations. There are actually quite a few options. Oh, these cars are hauling ass. Dude, this car is so good. Wow, okay. That's coming in super clear. I hope you guys can see that. No glare at all. Let's see how these cars look. Oh, that's perfect. I'll put it in sport mode for the boys. Bruh. Oh my God. Did you guys see that torque steer? That was interesting. Actually, that may have been because the road is a little curved. But in second gear, oh my God, my tires are on their last leg, guys. I have 11,312 miles on the car. It has seen the drag strip. It's seen other situations where, you know, the tires broke loose a little bit. I don't know if I'll be able to wait. Oh no, bro. Oh my God. I was losing traction all through third. This is ridiculous, man. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wait until those wheels come in. I was told that they would be shipping out the end of this month in October. Oh my God, dude, I ordered those things on June 4th. I might have to go and spend that cash on some new tires. When I'm upshifting this car with the whole exhaust system, it pops, and it's like a gurgly, aggressive pop in between shifts. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. I've been very lazy, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna try to pound out some videos. So I will see you guys in a couple days.